Let's try pulled pork burger from Cookidoo recipe. Traditionally, it takes 8 hours to cook this recipe, but thanks to Thermomix, it only takes a few hours. And the good thing about it is that you do not need to be basting every hour. So let's have a look at the ingredients. Let's start cooking now. So now we're going to cook this pulled pork burger from Cookidoo. So first we put 1 garlic clove. So now we're going to chop the garlic for a few seconds. Just scrape the sides of the bowl. Next we'll put in some brown onions to enhance the flavor. It's going to be very sweet and juicy. Put in some fresh rosemary. I just love rosemary, it works well with all types of meat. Some water. With the built-in weighing scale, it makes measuring liquids or anything so easy. Add in some apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar works really well with pork. You can add some sea salt. And if you do not have any sea salt, any salt works as well. Okay, 1 teaspoon of chicken stock. I love to make homemade chicken stock because it is so fresh and you can use the freshest ingredients possible. Okay, and 800 grams of boneless pork shoulder. Okay, and some homemade barbecue sauce. Insert measuring cup and lid. So now we're going to leave it for a few hours and we're going to attend to it later. Wow, our soft, tender and juicy meat is ready to serve. So now I'm going to place it in the Varoma dish to strain. Wow, look at that. Okay, after straining, place it back into the mixing bowl and now we're going to shred it. Okay, 5 seconds. Reverse. Speed 3. So after shredding, what we're going to do is season with a bit of salt and pepper. Wow, this juicy, tender meat. Wow, this looks so gourmet. I'm sure you would like to try this recipe.